People in India's Jammu and Kashmir have suffered since 1947 because of Pakistan-sponsored terrorism and religious hatred. Thousands of civilians in Kashmir have lost their lives due to terror incidents. But Pakistan has been spreading misinformation against India at the international platforms. Now, India has exposed Pakistan's lies about Jammu and Kashmir. Take a look.
Anti-India propaganda filled with lies and self-victimization has become a part of Pakistan's diplomacy at international forums. A country which has created records in persecuting and killing its ethnic minorities is trying to lecture India over human rights. At the 45th session of the UN Human Rights Council, India slams Pakistan for peddling untruthful statements and burst its attempts of creating an anti-India environment through fabricated words and gestures. India also exposed Pakistan's ties with terrorists that it uses to wreak havoc in Jammu and Kashmir.
Neither India nor others deserve this unsolicited lecture on human rights from a country that has consistently persecuted its ethnic and religious minorities, is an epicenter of terrorism, has the distinction of providing pensions to the individuals on the UN sanctions list, and as a Prime Minister who proudly admits training tens of thousands of terrorists to fight in Jammu and Kashmir.
It is no hidden fact that Pakistan-occupied Kashmir is being used as a terrorist training field. The Pakistani army is complicit in providing funds and training to the terrorists being trained in these terror factories. Any voice of dissent against the army and terrorists is met with brutal atrocities carried out by the security agencies.
It is not surprising that other relevant multilateral institutions have been raising serious concerns on its failure to stop terror financing and lack of effective actions against all terror entities in Pakistan. Mr. Vice President, the nefarious designs of Pakistan continue in Pakistan-occupied parts of Indian Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh.
Various reports suggest that there has been a large influx of terrorists into Kashmir from POK through LOC, and many are still waiting at the terror launch pads to get into the valley. These terrorists have a single point agenda of unleashing chaos and violence in India and Jammu and Kashmir, in particular at the commands of their lords sitting in Rawalpindi. But all their attempts are getting thwarted by the Indian security forces that have eliminated at least 177 terrorists till now in 2020 in about 72 counter-terrorism operations. Many of these terrorists belong to Pakistan, who are working either as a part of Jaish-e-Mohammed or Lashkar-e-Taiba.
इसमें काफ़ी बड़ी तादाद फॉरेन टेररिस्ट की है जिनका ताल्लुक पाकिस्तान से है। इनमें 22 टेररिस्ट जो हैं वो अभी तक जो मारे गए हैं वो पाकिस्तान से जुड़े हुए फॉरेन टेररिस्ट हैं। इससे ये भी साफ जाहिर होता है कि पाकिस्तान की इन्वॉल्वमेंट दहशतगर्दी कार्रवाइयों में डायरेक्ट कितनी ज़्यादा है। ख़ासतौर पे जैश और लश्कर के बीच में जो आतंकी काम करते हैं, दहशतगर्द काम करते हैं, उसमें काफ़ी बड़ी तादाद जो है पाकिस्तान से भेजे हुए उनके अपने दहशतगर्दों की है।
Pakistan misuses all the August global forums to radiate false claims and anti-India propaganda in order to hide its failures in taking counter-terrorism measures against the terrorists sitting in its backyard. While Jammu and Kashmir is heading towards peace and development, Pakistan intensifies its efforts to create violence and aggression.